Hello, my dear friends. Actually, today this is going to be a very small video. Uh, so today's actually this is nothing new or nothing complex. It's a very simple thing which I thought it would be worth sharing with others. Uh, Reason being, it's a very simple thing, so we may overlook such issues which we may face in our daily life. So this is related to one of the error which we received, a very strange error, while we are trying to do migration of configuration from one of the Dynamics instance to another one. As you all know that we will be doing the data migration or the configuration migration for Dynamics CRM. Even the data we can do the same thing using the Microsoft provided configuration migration tool. And this migration tool, how it is used is we will be importing the data once, and then that will be we will be exporting the data once from the target from the source environment, and then the same data will be pushed to the destination environment or the other CRM higher instances. Let's say we export the data from development environment, and then we may do it to the test environment. We will import the data back. So normally that's what happens. So this is not only for the data purpose. This is also used for the other add-on applications in Dynamics CRM like Unified Service Desk or let's say the Microsoft portals. All these things, whatever the development happens, it most of the part happens in the configuration model, and these configurations things needs to be migrated to higher environments, right? So for that we uses this migration tool. And during that time we faced very strange issue actually. So the summary of the issue is something like this: when we are migrating it, and when we are doing the okay, let me first show you the issue. So when we are doing the import, that is when we are pushing the data into the target, we got something similar issue. So and this also never happens all the time. This happens only when our colleagues uh, uh, work on this, or colleagues does the import. So what happens is, from our side, we does the export of the data, the configuration data, and once the data is exported, we just pass it on to our colleagues who will does the import activity. So they were responsible for all the build related activities. So we pass our configuration data to them, and they used to do this migration. So at that time they always face this issue, and initially we just overlooked this issue because we were thinking like some data format or something might be there, and we used to change the data format, whatever the working data format is, and we used to give back the package. But later when we thought, we just followed up the pattern in which this issue is happening. Then we came to know this is something which happens only when our colleagues are doing the import. Okay, we does the export, and then our colleagues will do the import. So actually what the problem was, actually this migration tool, it picks the date format from our local machine. Okay, so let us say I am doing this, my system date format is Indian standard format, right? And my colleagues who are located in United States or US, they were having their format. So the two date formats are different, and when the system, when the tool is actually migrating or exporting the data, it exports in Indian format. And when my colleagues try to do the formatting from do the import from their side, this is that particular tool uses their format, so there the date format mismatches, right? At the same time, when I am doing the import myself, this issue never happens, because both the formats are same, right? For the export and import, we are using the same format. But at the same time, when they are using, they face this problem because the format is different. So what we did is, whenever we are supposed to hand over the package to our colleagues, we changed our date format in the machine to follow up with their format, and then we does the export, so that the exported file and the import thing happens in the same date format, and actually that solved our issue. So I thought just I'll share this solution or this finding when doing our troubleshooting, so that it will save time for some of you guys at least. So I hope it will be helpful for you all. And thanks for your time. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.